The film received critical and commercial success, with Vidya being hailed as the hero of the film. She received heaps of praises and awards for the film. The film also put Vidya Balan in the league of several superstars in the country. Her performance and gutsy portrayal in the film is still being talked about, as it managed to hit the bullseye with both audiences and critics. Vidya's portrayal as a leading lady who's completely comfortable with her sexuality and uses men to further her career marked a new era for Bollywood heroines. The movie also showed Emraan Hashmi playing an important role as Abraham. He is one who narrates the film and the story of Silk through the movie.
वो आइटम नंबर का गिटार थी, मैं सूफी गाने का एक तारा। बॉस वो स्टार थी और मेरा तो तारा ही टूट गया था।
कॉफी पी लो, पैसे मैं दे दूंगा।
2 सिल्क कॉफी लाना। यहाँ मेरे नाम की कॉफी फेमस है।
Despite working together in the movie, there was a palpable tiff between the two stars. Sources claimed that Emraan was unhappy with Vidya's role being given so much prominence, and that he felt that as one of the stars in the film, he should have been given a lot more screen space. Vidya on her part found Emraan offensive and even went on record stating that she did not know why Emraan was even a part of the movie. Their arguments sometimes started off even during the film promotions, and they gave the impression of being involved in one long argument. The duo had even gone on record stating that they would never work together again, and industry insiders claimed that the two could barely see eye to eye. But as they say, there are no permanent friends and foes in film industry. Vidya and Emraan are now all set to return for a major banner. The movie had been titled Gun Chakkar and will see the duo in a never-before-seen avatar.
मेरे दिल को तुझा से जुदा कर दे, यूं बस तू मुझको फना कर दे, मेरा हाल तू मेरी चाल तू बस कर दे आशिकाना.
The movie will be directed by Rajkumar Gupta of No One Killed Jessica fame. The film is being touted as a comedy thriller, with Emraan and Vidya playing husband and wife. Vidya has clearly moved past the dirty picture where Emraan is concerned. As an actor, all you want to do is reach out to the audiences with diverse yet entertaining roles. Having said that, the story, the director, the co-stars, producer play an extremely critical role while selecting a film. With Gun Chakkar, it all just fell in place. The story is definitely creative at its best, and I can't think of a better director than Rajkumar Gupta to bring the story to the audiences. He has a very new age and quirky but massy humor. Having worked with him before in No One Killed Jessica, I know he'll push me to give it my best. When you've worked with an actor before, there's a certain amount of comfort that is brought to the table. Emraan is a brilliant co-star, and together we hope to rock it. Vidya has already worked with Gupta in No One Killed Jessica, but this will be Emraan's first film with the director. He also expressed his excitement at working with Vidya again. It's great to be associated with UTV and Rajkumar Gupta for the very first time. As a production house, UTV is known for some path-breaking cinema, and I loved both of Rajkumar Gupta's film, No One Killed Jessica and Amir. Gun Chakkar is definitely one of the best scripts I've heard in recent times, and I jumped on board when Rajkumar offered it to me. It's a brilliant story factoring all the essential components: comedy, thrilling, edgy and entertaining, which is sure to connect with the audiences. It is undoubtedly going to be a challenging role for me, something that I haven't attempted before, but as an actor I'm always looking forward to push the bar, so I can't wait to get into the skin of the character. And now, to add to the excitement, me and Vidya will be seen on screen together again, and I'm sure under Rajkumar's apt direction, we will recreate the magic on screen. Gun Chakkar narrates the tale of Emraan, an ex-conman who's laid back and has a taste for finer things in life. It is being touted as a mad, quirky comic thriller. Emraan has an ambitious wife who has her own notions of the world. Therefore, he gets sucked into a chakkar and has to suffer two thugs, one with a bad ailment and the other with a bad sense of humor.